Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's video, I'll show you two easy ways to create a folder on your Mac. First, we'll do it the normal manual way, and then I'll show you how to create one using the terminal. Let's get started. Let's start with the manual method. On your desktop, just right-click on an empty space, then choose New Folder. Type in a name for your folder. Let's call it Normal, and hit Return. That's it, the folder is ready. Now let's create a folder using Terminal. Open Spotlight Search by pressing Command plus space type Terminal and hit Enter. Here, type the command mkdir terminal folder. And that's it. Two simple ways to create folders on a Mac. Manually through Finder or the desktop, and with a single command in Terminal. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Mac tips here on 1 Minute IT Shot. Thanks for watching.